Hi guys! For my holiday in London, I chose an amazing hotel, the Citizen Ham Tower of London Hotel. I chose this hotel because it's near the Tower Bridge and the Tower of London. From my room, I can have a fantastic view of the Tower Bridge and the Tower of London. The hotel is near the Tower Hill tube station. So, I can use the tube to visit London. The first stay is New Scotland Yard, the headquarters of the Metropolitan Police Service, the Territorial Police Force. Scotland Yard is near Westminster Palace, the houses of the British Parliament. Okay, so to plan a journey, I go to the website of the Underground and I write my underground station, the Tower Hill Underground Station, and the destination, so Scotland Yard, New Scotland Yard, London, UK. I choose plan my journey and voila! My journey results. I can choose by two lines, the district line or circle line, and the destination is Westminster. Then I will walk to Richmond Terrace, Westminster. I can also view the map. And in fact, well, this is the map, and I take the tube from Tower Hill and I go until Westminster. Then I walk. Near the Scotland Yard, I meet the Detective Brown. Do you remember? And we talk about the last case.